Hi, welcome to this week's stand-up meeting.
Hi,
Junho.
Jalen.
Hi.
Hello.
First of all, I'm
Hello.
gonna
Hi.
show what I have done this week, and then we can show some issues or risks if you come across any new. Okay. This week I mainly focused on preparing the project proposal and related works. And the work began with creating a captures project on Overleaf and inviting team members. We start by September 22. And then I searched some related paperwork related to the heart disease prediction and to focus on the existing solution for the heart disease prediction. I summarized some 4 papers and write it on the project proposal. A notable change was coordinating with team members for proposal editing and language refinement, but we tackled it through effective communication and task delegation. By September 27th, I completed loading the Silverland Clinic data sets, handled data browsing, and we plan to add the exploratory data analysis in this project and do some visualization for the data set. That's what I have done. I finished. You can continue.
Okay, thank you, Jalen. And for what I have done so far this week, I have created and organized our Trello cards to help track of our tasks and deadlines. I also learned how to use Overleaf, which is a powerful tool that allows us to collaboratively work on our proposal document. I drafted the document and did some formatting to make sure it's well organized. And right now, I'm studying the papers we cited in our proposal. Since I'm still new to machine learning, I want to gain a deeper understanding of the background and frameworks we are working with. And additionally, I'm continuing to study Python for machine learning. Since Python is a crucial tool for implementing machine learning models, I want to make sure I can contribute effectively when we get to the coding phase. And as for the difficulties I am facing, well, one challenge I am currently facing is understanding the different models and algorithms used in our project. Some terms are still unclear to me. To tackle this, I plan to dedicate extra time to studying the fundamental concepts behind these algorithms. I think following structured courses or tutorials or ask help from our group members or to reach out to online communities for guidance would be pretty helpful. And I think this will help me gradually overcome these knowledge gaps. And that's my part. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, everyone. So for this week, I work on some tasks. So firstly, I prepared the first draft of the proposal reporting using the Overleaf. And I focus on ensure that all the necessary details are included in our project. And next, I spend some time on searching for related machine learning papers. And I plan to share those with my group member after this meeting so we can discuss them. Additionally, I prepare the weekly status report, so summarizing what we have did finished and the current states of ongoing task, and with the plan for the next week. And lastly, I took an online course for the machine learning in Python, and it's focused on specifically on learning pandas and NumPy. So this will help us in the next stage of our work, particularly in preparing for the EDA. So I feel confident about using those tools, and I'm ready to apply them when we divide into the data in the next week. So I finished my part, and now let's Kobe to talk about his work.
Okay, hello everyone. This week I mainly focused on how to create the project proposal with my teammates. Specifically, we created the proposal on Overleaf together, and the most difficult part is to select the most relevant papers, because we found there are more than 20 papers about the application of machine learning in predicting heart disease, which is our research topic. So there are too many papers, so that significantly impact the speed of completing our project proposal. To solve that problem, we utilize ChatGPT to help us summarize each paper, and then we spend more time reading and discussing each paper together. Finally, we have 4 or 5 most relevant papers to put them into the project proposal, which is pretty good. And apart from that, I also studied how to edit documents in the LaTeX format in Overleaf. It's I mean I have learned it in the past, but not through Overleaf. So it's different. The technology has advanced. It's more convenient to edit nowadays. And other than that, when we are done with the project proposal, I took about an hour or two to finalize everything, proofread it, to make some edits so that the tone of the entire proposal sounds more like an academic tone. That's pretty much about the proposal part. Apart from that, I also help the entire team make appointments for the biweekly meeting. There are 3 of them, and another midterm presentation. We're still trying to figure out the time for the final presentation, because to ensure that there's no conflicts with other exams. That's pretty much about my part. Jalen will continue. Sorry, Chenxi will continue.
Thank you, Kobe. Hi, everyone. This week I mainly focused on working on our project proposal. So I also edit and proofread the project proposal on Overleaf using LaTeX. I've used LaTeX before, but I also learned something new about how to add a reference using BTeX. Also, I found the most difficult part is also selecting the relevant papers. I read about like 20 to 30 machine learning paper, and only found like 3 or 4 most relevant. So, but and I chose the other one to 2 papers that are less relevant, but I think they are still good, and will introduce a good background for machine learning in heart disease for us. And also I loaded the Clinium Clinic heart disease datasets in using Python, and I push it to our GitHub page. Next week, I'm looking forward to work with you all on exploratory data analysis, and we should like generate some heat maps and correlation maps, and some other histograms, like data visualization tools, and also do some data pre-processing for our data set, like handling missing data and I don't know, feature selection. Yeah, I'm looking forward to next week. Thank you all.
Thank you, guys. And do you have any many more issues or risk you want to synchronize?
No.
Okay, and then I guess that's the today's stand-up meeting. Good job, guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
you.
you. See you
Week.
next week.
See you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.